coming back from work. It was a dark night and stormy too. On the way back home, my car broke down. I got out of my car and
suddenly I started repairing my car, and then I saw a ghost behind a tree, and
And then you sit in the car. After that, the ghost uh, come come to you, and you was running to the jungle. And then
okay.
And then suddenly we woke up and find this is a dream. After
Okay.
after woke up after woke up he eat breakfast and and dress up for office. And then
He was
and
afraid
then
by his he was afraid by
and
his dream.
Yeah, I think Kashvi is continuing. Let her continue. Yeah, go on.
And then the man dressed up for his office and leave for the office in the road where in the road where he was going. This was the same road which he has seen in the dream. So he was a little more scared. Suddenly, someone put hand in his back, in the shoulder, and he turned, and it was a ghost. He got very scared and started running. And when he tired and when he got tired and stayed in a one place, he saw that there was no ghost, and he started again going. And suddenly the ghost came in the front. And then
And then he witnessed a murder, a person getting murdered. He also pinched himself whether he was dreaming or not, but he was not dreaming. And the person was brutally murdered by a woman, and now she was coming towards him.
And then he ran away to the police station. He reached the police station and tell the police. And then
but the police
and
uh,
then police said it is a fake story. You are seeing a dream.
but
And
the
after
man
that and,
but
af- and after that they he and police go to the place where he sees the ghost.
They
But
see the go.
there
Okay.
was
This.
no ghost. And then
Yes, Aryan, go on.
and
and he was looking behind that is the ghost is there or not. But suddenly he saw a ghost, and he wanted to run, but he got stuck in a tree, and then
and
and
then
then he,
Let
and then
Hussein
he
finish.
suddenly
Yeah.
asked,
Yeah.
and then he suddenly started taking the name of the god and going on their way. And then
he read the Hanuman Chalisa, and the ghost will run away from her, and he go to her home. And then
Okay.
and then
and then
he's उसको सुनती है कोई sound.
He
Then
heard
it
some
was
sound. Okay.
after he got to look around, he saw something.
and then the ghost, when he was reading,
And then
when he was chanting,
and then he ran away and he saw the one car is there and he just returned. And then
and and then
when,
Yeah. Let Aryan also finish. Yeah. Go on.
when he was chanting Hanuman Chalisa, then the ghost started speaking that in my past life I got murdered by someone who was driving in the road with a high speed, and then
and
and
then
then realize his mistake. I will also driving fast in road, so I will drive slow. He know his mistake, and he said, I do not do this type of mistake anytime. So please sorry. And can I go? And then,
And
And
then,
then the ghost said, "Yes, you can go." But in the next day, when he was going to the office, he was driving in very high speed. The ghost seized, and when he was coming to home, the ghost again again kidnapped him. And
And
after that, he said, "What I have done." And then
the
the
ghost
ghost replied that I will send you, but you have to give me some precious thing. He gives him his iPhone and comes back to the home. Suddenly, he opens the main door and he goes to help. There, he shows he sees that many ghosts are doing dinner, and and he's lying in the table with a cooked hen. And then
after that, the ghost, when they finish the cooked hen, after that they go to cook the man. And he was saying, "Please, I will not do from tomorrow, I will not do for tomorrow." But
that
they do not listen and cooked him. After that, he suddenly woke up and see, it is a dream. And then
and then he got to know that he is in he was kidnapped by the ghost, and the ghost asked him for a help, that please help me to caught the criminals which murdered me earlier in the past life, so please help me.
and then he helped
and then he think
he helped the
every
ghost. And
person
then he helped the ghost. And then he helped the ghost to find the people who has murdered him in the past. After some days, they find it finally, and they
and
make a plan to murder them.
And
Okay.
And
after
then
after this, uh, he got to realize that he is watching a movie, uh, uh, which is Kanchana 3.
he watched the Kanchana 3 and he know the parts of Kanchana 1 and 2 also. And he see Kanchana 1 and 2 be and ready to plan to kill the bad persons. And he watched the many horror movies, Lakshmi Bomb, many, and he makes plan to kill the person. And suddenly, and any person knock her door, and he was very afraid. And then.
and then when he opened the door, the thief born from the door, and he got scared. They uh, they just uh, they just put him in a room, in a vacant room. And then
and then
And then
then
he was very
the
afraid because he see many horror movies and he will very afraid to from ghost, and any ghost come here he will eat me. He was very afraid and very tension. And then
and when
after
he opened the door and when he opened the door, he see it is a ghost. So he ran away, but the ghost was behind him.
Okay,
After that,
Devesh and Parth, take a minute pause, and yeah, rest of the people also speak. आप लोग
And
एक
then
मिनट का रेस्ट लो. Yeah.
And then after going home, he went to the black magician. There he asked him like, why are these things happening to me, and why I'm getting those ghost dream, why I'm being murdered in my past life. And he told him that you have been cursed by by another black magician, which we then he transferred his soul to another body so that he can live a happy life.
after that, he lived a very happy life, and then he married to a girl and had two childs. After that, one day when he was dropping his daughters to the school, suddenly that magician appeared in front of him and said, "I am the I am the only one who has cursed you, and I am very unhappy with you. I will now make your life into hell. And then
And then he again came to the home and go to their magician and tell these things, and their magician give him a locket which protect from the evil eyes of the other magicians and people for killing. And then
And then
And then, and then the rocket broke suddenly.
Wait, Parth, wait. Yes. Purvi, you wanted to say something?
And then when he go for bath, uh, he put the locket into the table, and when he come from bath, he saw the black magician wanted to murder him, and then
Well, and then after that, the black magician attacked him. But because his heart was pure, there was nothing that could have been happened to him. After that, when the black magician left, he was really terrified for himself and his kids and his wife. He started to wonder what I'm going to do. And at that time, a door appeared, and he still thought that it might be a dream, but that was not a dream. And when he opened the door, there was another world, a world full of fairies, dragons, and kings and queens. And then he decided that yes, in the current world, he can't live here with the black magician following him. So he decided that yeah, he will move to the another world.
And then some soldiers saw him and take out him from the front of king, and the king said, who are you and where does you come? I never see you in this kingdom. Tell me, can you किसी दूसरे देश के खबरी तो नहीं हो?
And then when he told him, the soldiers about the king about his story, that how he is being followed by this black magician, and he's too scared to live in his own world because he's scared for his life and his family's life, then the king granted them the permission to live in their country, and they also provided them the job and also the food so that they can live here happily.
and
One
then
minute.
the full of joy, and he living as he was living before, without any uh, very very dangerful dream which was coming in the night. uh, and then
And then any one minister said the king, why are you believe this man? This man will be dangerous for us. He will kill any time will you. And many kingdoms will against ourselves and fight ourselves. This man share the knowledge of our kingdom, other kingdoms. So we will weak from other kingdom. So please kill him, the man. So the king tell his soldiers to taking out the man, and he was give him punishment to a fasi.
Then
And after that,
at
the
that
man
time, and that time, minister, there were four dukes of the kingdom, and one of the duke who was not really present in the assembly that much appeared after a day, and he told he has the power to see the truth of the person, whether a person is telling the truth or not. So he checked whether he was telling the truth and or not, and the person was telling the truth that he was facing a really lot of problem in his world. So he told the king that I have this power in my eyes that I can check whether a person is telling the truth or not, and this person is telling the truth, so you should leave him. And the other minister who was convincing the king to kick this person out of the country was punished because he was not taking that person into consideration.
and after that,
The, the man, suddenly the other kingdom attacked the kingdom, and there was many big wall separate around us. The man run away from the war, and all always will the fighting will against by the shoulders. The kingdom with population will also killed by other kingdoms attack, and he was very in very difficulties. And then
And
And
then
then
And
this
then
man
after
turned
that,
into Bahubali.
the kingdom win. And
and
then
then
after that, and
and then
then after,
and
and
then a dragon appeared, which helped, and then a dragon appeared, which helped the kingdom to fight with the other kingdoms. And he was not in either of the side; he was neutral, but he wanted the other kingdom to learn a lesson that you can't interfere in others' boundary. And he defeated that kingdom, and the fairy kingdom was living in peace after that.
he watched many movies and he have idea of war in old time. He watch any one movies is known as Bahubali. He do same these things for the other peoples. He saw his mobile phone to the king and Bahubali saw the Bahubali movie. The king saw the Bahubali and give I know the idea and tell his soldiers to do. And then
and after that, they fight like Bahubali and wins. After that, they
and one day,
celebrate wins and give a party.
and
and
the
one
king
day,
thank you
In,
for the man and
in them,
give the post of a minister in her court.
okay, and one day the person was sitting near to the sea, uh, in the island, and suddenly he saw something in the island, and he took he took that thing, and it was a Mangal Sutra of someone, and suddenly the climate changes. It becomes evening in the morning, and then
The
And
king
then
and then he and then he asks everyone in near the sea, "This is your Mangalsutra," but everybody says no. So he going to to take it to home, and after that,
and then he
after
took
that
that
he will
Mangalsutra with him, and he went to his home, and in night time he had a nightmare, scary nightmare, and he was thinking that why these things happening with me, and then he took the Mangalsutra to that pujari, and then pujari said,
Pujari said he was a ghost effect in Mangal Sutra. You took the Mangal Sutra this place. You took the Mangal Sutra उन जहाँ से तुमने ये उठाए वहीं रख दो. He do puja and the and ghost come appear and take his Mangal Sutra and go away. The man said, can I saw the ghost? So so he said, "Hi, yes. In Purnima, you can see the ghost." And then
and then after the Purnima appeared in the full moon night, suddenly the Ami Je Tumhar song starting playing, and Manjulika appeared. He got very scared because he has seen Bhool Bhulaiya 1 and 2 earlier also. And then
the Mangalsutra of Kanchana, he also come to the Purnima and he saw each other and he will also dance each other and the man will very happy and he record the video and he also dance with him. And then
and then with the help of boat, he went to some another island where everyone is smaller than him, where everyone is 5 inch tall, and they all are the Lilliputians.
and then after that, the man which are big in size, they try to try to murder him, but he goes to his island back, and then
After that, he married to a girl, and the girl wants to murder him.
and he was become a ghost of a person who will who work in anath ashram for children and kids, and he become a ghost and take out revenge from his wife. He do many tantra and mantra. He learns many knowledge from tantra tantrics, and he become a very ugly and this powerful monster. And first he go to the his wife to kill him. His wife take out his chappals and balan, and he stuck him and run away from the his wife's affair.
Good.
And
Continue,
And
continue.
after that,
one day,
his another wife came, as he was in a polygamy relationship. So his another wife came and he was casting some spell or something like that. But the chappal and the balan are has quite a strong power. So she threw them in his face and his power was gone after that. His children also came and they also caused him, which affected his power a lot.
And after that, they got two children. One name is Mohit, second name is Reena. Reena wants to become an IPS officer. She worked hard and one day she become an IPS officer.
But
And
does not.
Mohit want to become an IS officer. But Mohit can't become an IS officer. He becomes an engineer. His father scolded him very much, and his mother beat him from Balan and Chappal. And after that,
He
and then
he got afraid from his mother and father. He take out his job from engineer. He go to other place and become an labor and do many works. And then his mother and father taking up light and come to his, and the labor works about eats cement bricks. His mother taking a brick and stuck him from bricks and take out from his house.
And then they couldn't keep up with the dream because how they want to pursue the job, they couldn't keep up with it because there was an intrusion by the aliens and they have spread a disease which are converting people into monster, and that too was how their desire is. If someone wants big eyes, they are converting into a eye monster. So they couldn't keep up with the dream and they want to save their life, but the government is currently not even able to save themselves. So how are they going to save the people?
This time any virus also comes. This known as coronavirus. In coronavirus and the Lisona virus, these two virus comes to any persons, he will become an monster, and everyone live in his house.
and one day, one more IPS joined him, joined at that place. He got the another IPS posted in that place, and he was a singer of that time. So he was asking him for a help, and then
And then I would like to continue from here. And then what happened that this news became the headlines of many newspapers and the news channels. And Saurabh Joshi got to know about it and he wanted to make a vlog on this. So he started shooting this. And then
And then
when he shooted it, everyone watched this video, and they think this can't be a real video because
And then
there was ghost, and after that there was a happy family, so it can't be a
many
real,
more
real movie. And
Saurabh
after that the vlog ended.
Saurabh Joshi came inside the cabin of the IPS officer named Manoj Kandpal, and and Saurabh Joshi wanted to make a vlog of his office. So Saurabh Joshi asked to Manoj Kandpal that is I am able to make a vlog in your office or not? Give grant me a permission. So Manoj said yes, you will just come inside my cabin, and Manoj slapped in a Saurabh Joshi face, and then.
And it was all a setup. It was all a setup because they wanted to grab the attention of the audience. And later on, they got to know that this man who had turned into a ghost was Arman Malik. another vlogger. And then
all bloggers close their channels and do other jobs. And the YouTube have no bloggers and no bloggers log by the fear of ghost.
But the triggered insan make vlogs and arrested by the police. After that, he
And-
cries and says, please leave me. But the police give him a slap, and then
And then
And then
police have a
he-
pressure on them that they have to arrest the criminals. So police can't able to find the criminals, but then the new IPS decided to arrest the criminals by arresting Saurabh Joshi and Arman Malik. And then
And then bloggers
and then-
will be arrested.
and-
The ghost come and eat him, and the police take out bloggers in jail, and the ghost do his breakfast, lunch, and dinner in police station, and sleep in jail. Any blogger come and he eat and go away.
all right, wonderful story. I really loved the second one.